Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we did OAuth2, that is third-party authentication and authorization using GitHub and Google. We were able to successfully authenticate via third party, but one problem that we encountered is this white label error page, which I want us to check why. So, despite the fact that we were able to authenticate on Google and GitHub, a new user was not created on the database. So, I want us to know why this. As you can see, this is Hibernate validation error. Interpolated message must not be blank, path name, username. So that means that the username is coming as blank. So if I show you with the code, this username here, as you can see, does not allow blank. So that means that inside our OAuth2 login success handler, there is a username that is coming as blank. So basically we can go through this logic. There is this if. So basically I think the problem is this: if GitHub, we are supposed to say else if google.equal-authentication token.get authorized registration handler. So ensure that you have this else for your logic to be executed successfully. Now we can try executing our code again and see whether that white error will go, because we are the error that we are only supposed to get is the redirection error for the front end, because we have not yet handled the front end bit, which we are going to handle in a separate bit, in a separate video, where I will be showing you how OAuth2 is handled in the front end. So basically, let us log in using GitHub. So I will go to http this GitHub. Okay, so if we go to our database, you can see that there are 10 records. There are 10 records and no record. So there are 10 records. Let us delete this record. So as you can see is that now there is no user with the sign up method of GitHub or Gmail. So I want us to sign up with Gmail. The first thing that we shall do is to log out. So I want us to log out from our GitHub account. Let us log out from our GitHub account. So sign out. So after signing out, I want us to go and sign in again, http localhost GitHub. So the first step is for me to be sign up to GitHub to continue to banking app dev. So the link that I have just entered is equivalent to this one on the Spotify. Do you want to continue with GitHub if there is an option like that here? So I will enter the email and I will also enter my password. I will then sign in. So you can see I am being redirected as far as I am concerned. Because I have been redirected to the front end, that means that that account has been created in the database and the security context has been updated. If we go to our users DB, select, you will see that there is a record here, number 11, that has been created. So you can see that there is an email that has been created, and there is also a sign up method, that is GitHub. So basically that means that there is also a username. So that means that third party login is working. Since I am using the same email for the GitHub, let me delete that account, try, finish, select all. So there is no any account that has been created under the GitHub. So let us go and try the GitHub journey. So not GitHub but Gmail journey. So HTTP, instead of GitHub, let us go and say Google. So I want us to sign in to Google. So choose an account. I will select this account. Then I have already been redirected to the front end. I did not have to enter my password because I was already logged into my Google account. But if I was not yet logged in, I could have been prompted to enter my username. So let me see whether this user has been created. As you can see here, is that a new user has been created. Email address and the username it has spread the email address and generated the username, and the login or sign up method is Google. So that is how we do OAuth2 authentication in Spring Boot. I hope this video was helpful to you. In the future video, I am going to create a full-fledged application, that is full stack application, both backend and front end. But I want to assure you that that application will be backend heavy. So if you have not yet subscribed to my video, please subscribe to my videos. Also, if you have not yet watched the entire Spring Security series, I would like to encourage you to watch. So bye.